Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Kline Backpack is probably one of the most versatile and stylish companions for your daily adventures, whether you're navigating bustling city streets, heading to class, or embarking on a weekend getaway, offering a perfect blend of functionality and modern aesthetics that seamlessly integrates into your lifestyle. Number 5. Klein Tools 55421 BP 14 Tradesman Pro Tool Backpack. Introducing the ultimate tool backpack designed for professionals. It offers a spacious opening for power tools and 39 interior pockets to keep all your hand tools organized and accessible. A hard, molded front pocket is specifically designed to safeguard your safety glasses. Additionally, a small zipper pouch is perfect for securing small parts and essential tools. The interior pockets are incredibly versatile, serving as an efficient organizer for screwdrivers or wrenches. Keep everything neat and easy to find. Constructed from 1680D ballistic weave, this bag is built for durability and water resistance. The fully molded bottom provides excellent protection against the elements. Carrying your tools has never been more comfortable. It features shoulder straps with extra padding for superior back support and sturdy handles for easy carrying. What we like. This backpack offers a large opening for easy access to your power tools and a total of 39 pockets for excellent organization. Its fully molded bottom protects your gear from the elements. If you are a tradesman who needs to carry a variety of tools and wants them protected from rough job site conditions, this is the bag for you. What people say. The backpack has a dedicated laptop compartment that fits a 15-inch laptop snugly. Multiple pockets and compartments keep everything organized, from pens to water bottles. The padded shoulder straps make it comfortable to carry even when the backpack is full. Number 4. Klein Tools 55485 Electrician Tool Bag Backpack. Keep all your tools perfectly organized with 48 total pockets. This backpack is designed for maximum efficiency, ensuring everything has its place. A removable tool caddy with carrying handles and a D-ring offers flexible transport and easy hanging. It's perfect for keeping essential tools readily accessible. Experience superior durability with aircraft cable reinforcement and a heavy-duty zipper. It's built to withstand tough job site conditions. Constructed from 1680D ballistic weave material, it resists water and features a molded bottom to protect your tools from the elements. Stay prepared, rain or shine. Enjoy exceptional comfort with well-padded shoulder straps, a buckled chest strap, and adjustable lower straps. Achieve a perfect, customized fit for all-day wear. The included tool caddy provides specialized storage with zipper pockets, closed pouches, open pockets, and straps. It's ideal for securing everything from small parts to long drivers. What we like. With an impressive 48 pockets, this backpack ensures everything has its place. It also features a removable tool caddy for ultimate versatility and a heavy-duty zipper with lockable pulls for added security. If you need maximum storage and the flexibility to take a subset of your tools with you, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The backpack has a dedicated padded compartment for a laptop, which fits my 15-inch device perfectly. Multiple internal pockets and external zippered compartments keep all my essentials organized and easily accessible. The adjustable shoulder straps are well padded and comfortable, even when the backpack is fully loaded. Number 3. Klein Tools 55482 Tradesman Pro Tool Bag Backpack. Introducing the ultimate tool bag backpack, designed for durability and maximum storage. It features 21 pockets and a large interior to keep all your tools organized and accessible. Need your tools fast? The front unzips halfway for quick access. For a complete workstation view, it fully extends, giving you easy access to everything you need. Constructed from tough, water-resistant 1680D ballistic weave material, this backpack is built to withstand the demands of any job site. It's designed for long-lasting durability. Never struggle in the dark again. An elastic loop is included to hold your work light, providing hands-free illumination of the interior when you're working in dimly lit areas. Find what you need in an instant. The bright orange interior makes tool visibility effortless, saving you time and frustration. Carry your tools all day in comfort. It features extra padding on the shoulder straps and back, along with adjustable chest and lower straps for a customized, secure fit. What we like. This backpack provides 21 pockets and a large interior for substantial tool storage. Its front unzips fully for workstation access, and the orange interior makes tools highly visible. If you value quick access to your tools and need to see everything clearly, especially in dimly lit areas, this is the backpack you should consider. What people say. The backpack has a dedicated padded compartment for laptops up to 15.6 inches, keeping your device secure and protected. Multiple interior pockets and organizers help keep your essentials neatly arranged and easily accessible. The water-resistant fabric provides an extra layer of protection against unexpected rain showers, ensuring your belongings stay dry. Number 2. Klein Tools 80028 28-piece hand tool kit. Introducing the Klein Tools 28-piece hand tool kit, a comprehensive set designed for professionals and apprentices alike. It includes a wide variety of high-quality, essential hand tools for any job. This kit is packed with 4 types of pliers, 6 screwdrivers, and 7 nut drivers, along with a hex key set, torpedo level, crimper cutting tool, and wire stripper cutter. Beyond the essentials, you'll find a non-contact voltage tester with a flashlight, a GFCI tester, a utility knife, a tape measure, and a convenient canvas zipper bag. It also comes with a spacious 39-pocket Tradesman Pro Tool Bag backpack, featuring a molded front pocket for safety glasses, and a durable canvas zipper bag. The set includes 4 types of pliers, heavy-duty long-nose side cutters, pliers with a fish tape puller, diagonal cutters with an angled head, and pump pliers. You'll also get a wire stripper cutter for solid wire, a versatile crimping cutting tool, and a folding utility knife with a sturdy aluminum handle. This kit features a range of screwdrivers, including slotted, keystone, Phillips, square recess tip, conduit fitting, and reaming screwdriver types to handle diverse applications. What we like. This is more than just a backpack, it's a complete 28-piece tool kit designed for professionals and apprentices. It includes a variety of essential hand tools, pliers, screwdrivers, and testers, all housed within a durable Tradesman Pro Tool Bag backpack. If you're just starting out or need a comprehensive, portable tool set, this kit offers incredible value and convenience. What people say. The backpack has a dedicated laptop compartment that fits a 15-inch laptop snugly. Multiple pockets and compartments help keep everything organized, including a water bottle holder on the side. The padded shoulder straps make it comfortable to carry, even when the backpack is fully loaded. Number 1. Kline Tools 5141 Zipper Tool Bag 4-Pack. Introducing the Kline Tools 5141 Zipper Tool Bag Set. This pack includes 4 assorted colors, red, gray, black, and brown, offering versatile storage options. Crafted from heavy-duty No. 10 canvas, these tool pouches are built for strength and longevity. They are designed to withstand tough job site conditions. Each bag features a robust brass zipper, ensuring your tools and spare parts stay securely in place. You can rely on it to keep everything contained. These versatile bags are perfect for storing a variety of tools, including pliers, wrenches, screwdrivers, and nut drivers. Keep your essential equipment organized and accessible. Beyond tool storage, these pouches are also ideal for use as a bank deposit bag. Their durable construction makes them suitable for carrying cash and other important items securely. What we like. This set includes 4 durable tool bags made from heavy-duty No. 10 canvas, each featuring a secure brass zipper. They are perfect for organizing smaller tools, parts, or even for use as bank deposit bags. If you need a versatile and robust solution for organizing multiple small tool sets or securing valuables, this multi-pack is an ideal and economical option. What people say. The backpack has a dedicated padded compartment for laptops up to 15.6 inches, which offers excellent protection. Multiple internal pockets and external zippered compartments provide ample organization for smaller items like pens, keys, and chargers. The water-resistant fabric and reinforced stitching ensure durability and protection against light rain. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.